Hi, my name is Nikeetha G. I'm doing my second semester MBA in Department of Management Studies in Danan Sagar College of Engineering. During this 1 year in college, I got several opportunities to upskill myself. Among several projects, I have done social media campaign as a part of digital marketing lab and studied the co-working industry as a part of marketing management project. While doing these projects, I was able to learn about organization structure and marketing operations. And I was also able to improve my analysis and data interpretation skills. And I overcome my limitations in interpersonal communications. These were really a great experience for me as I was able to learn directly from the industry professionals in a practical environment. These opportunities not only helped me to build my skills but also helped me to prepare for the professional world. Now I'm looking forward for my second year in college. Thank you.